It's a very peaceful, beautiful and sunny day, good for relaxation plus picnic. Oh, wait, it's a call from office. Hello? Yes? What? I'm coming. Tell everyone to gather fast. We need to be quick. Give me full information. Okay. This event is not to be expected as weather report shows sunny weather with no signs of rain till Sunday. Soldiers, as you all know, this is an emergency situation. We need to be very quick, careful, and to make effective strategies to rescue people as soon as possible. It's high time. Let's go. I have divided you in different teams. Team Alpha to rescue local people, Team Gamma to rescue people in tunnels. You will go with your respective medical team, necessity team, and communication team. Report me the situation and steps taken you by on time. Other teams were also established, like one which will check on food, medical supplies, communication, and others are rescue helicopters, cargo planes to help you in rescue operation. You have to give your 101%. All the best. Jai Hind.
I am Anshika Malviya, head of Team Alpha. Because of the sudden glacier burst, there has been a rise in the water level, causing a severe flood in the nearby villages of Suki, Lata, and Bhalgaon. Our team is sent here to save the local inhabitants and get them to safer places. We have divided our team further into 5 groups. Group 1, the rescue team, with the job of rescuing or helping people or even animals who are stuck in the flood and getting them to safer places. Group 2, the medical team, to provide first aid treatment to the injured one as soon as possible. Group 3, the necessities team, to give food and other necessities among the people who are rescued. Group 4, the search team, to look out for people who went missing out there in the field. And Group 5, the technical team, to keep us connected to the main head office and help us transmit or receive any orders or information. Till now, over hundreds of people and about 180 sheep and goats have been swept away by the waters and flash flood. And about 10 people lost their lives. Although we are trying our best to save as many people as we can, our main priority is to save the children and the women first, as they are the most vulnerable ones and are less likely to be able to save themselves all on their own from this dangerous situation. People are getting anxious of not being able to find their loved ones, and therefore they are coming back to the field in order to find their loved ones and their family members without thinking of any consequences which might affect them as well as others. They are getting scared, not knowing what to do and where to go. Therefore, currently our team is ensuring them that their families would be found soon and to stay calm. Also, the specialized teams of Indian Air Forces, Defense Research and Development Organization have reached the spot for surveillance and special reconnaissance. Navy's diving team has also been on lookout for any flash flood relief operation. A total of 38 bodies have been recovered so far, while the relief and rescue operation are still underway. Immediately after the circumstances settle down, we will be sending our search team for the people who went missing. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police is also on the lookout for missing persons on the bank of Dholi Ganga. Team Alpha reporting, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Till now, hundreds of people and about 180 sheep and goats have been swept away by the flash flood, and about 38 dead bodies and a few body parts have been recovered. Yes, ma'am. Our team is rescuing people stuck in the flood and providing food and first aid to the rescued ones. And as soon as the situation calms down, we will be sending a search team along with the Indo-Tibetan Border Police to look out for missing persons. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Jai Hind.
Hello, I am head of Team Beta working here in Tapovan to rescue the people out of the tunnel. Me and my team is doing here great work for making the labor to feel safe and feel free. So, me and my team is doing here to rescue the people out of the tunnel. This glacier outburst in Tapovan is really very vast and lead to the damage to the many nearby areas in district Jammu, out of which Tapovan is the one where the water filled in the tunnel and the laborers are doing work inside the tunnel. So, our team is here to take out the trapped laborers from the tunnel. So, when we reach at the particular destination near the tunnel, we start our work as soon as we can. So, firstly, our team started to pump out all the water from the tunnel. The water which are locked when the flow of river is very high. So the pumping work is at the first to take all the locked water out with the help of pumping machine. And then as the water is a little pumped out, our searcher team, research team and the rescue team enter in the tunnel very fastly so that they get a point that where the peoples are working, the laborers are working at the time of outburst. There is a particular point in the tunnel, particular place in the tunnel where 14 to 15 laborers are working when the glacier outburst occurs. So our main focus is to go to that place where 14 to 15 workers are working at the time of that glacier burst. So our team rescue the 13 members from there, and then they enter the other side of the tunnel to rescue the other laborers. But it is very sorry to say that we lost the life of some people, some laborers inside the tunnel because of this suffocating situation of locked water. So the laborers are inside the tunnel in the suffocating situation. Many laborers are still inside the tunnel, so our rescue team re-enters in the tunnel to take out the other laborers from the tunnel. As the laborers are coming out of the tunnel, they need some food and shelter to just take out rest and refreshment. So our second team here is to give food and shelter to the people. So they are doing their responsibility very nicely and they are giving a nutritious food to the laborers, and they are giving shelter to just relax, where the third team is also working in that shelter area is medical team. Our medical team is doing great work. We are here with our best medical staff, reputed doctor who are specialized in the recovering from a little injury. As laborers are inside from last 2 days, they get some little injury like cramps in hands and legs and like little skin injury. So they all are getting treated in the shelter team. So this our team is also, I told you about that medical team, and fourth team is with us, which is that technical team. Our technical team is here making the connection of the researcher rescuers on the ground and with the rescuers who are there inside the tunnel in search of the people. So with this better connection, we are in the more achievement to get more labor out of the tunnel. And then as the laborers are coming out, they are getting a proper food, proper shelter, proper medical treatment. All the situation is handled, all the situation in our hands, and we all are doing great here to save the life of the labor from the tunnel. And I think and we all think that it is nearly to save all the life of the people, all the life of the labor from the tunnel. And yes, we are getting the possibilities that our team get achievement to save the life of the neighbor from the tunnel. Evening. Yes, ma'am. All the work in Tapo 1 is going very well. Yes, ma'am. Till now, we saved the life of 14 labor, and it is sorry to say that we lost the life of 14 labor also in the tunnel. And our rescue team re-enter in the tunnel to get out more laborers from the tunnel. Yes, ma'am. Our technical team is also doing great work. They are making the better connection to rescue out more peoples, and as the laborers are coming out, we are providing them best food so that they can get energy like glucose and fruits and a well nourished diet so that they get recovered. And yes, ma'am, we are giving them shelter where the treatment is going well. A little injury was there to the laborers as a little like cramps and all. So our medical team is also with us who are giving their best. Yes, ma'am. All the things are going very well. Thank you. Jai Hind. So this is how all the works are going very well here in Tapovan to rescue the people out of the tunnel. We are here with our core team who are helping us very effectively and very fastly to recover from the situation. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to India News Carmel. This is Urvashi and let's begin with today's headline. A glacier outburst in Uttarakhand Chamoli district occurred. It's a very rare incident, though it needs further research and analysis because it was not expected for a glacier to outburst in Chamoli because Chamoli's weather report says sunny day and no rain till Sunday. Mr. Mohammad Farooq Azam quoted and added that global warming has led to a rise in temperature in that particular region. According to a recent research by International Center for Integrated Mountain Development, the global warming has rise in the Hindu Kush Himalayan region and temperature fluctuations can also lead to further damage in Himalayan region. It is yet to be investigated what triggered the breach, whether there was an avalanche in the area recently or the lake breach was a result of construction or climate change, etc. It is unlikely for an avalanche to rise in water magnitude that Chamoli witnessed on Sunday. How are people being rescued in the affected area? To discuss that, we are joined to Party Commander Major Unnati Singh. Welcome Unnati to News India Carmel. How many persons have been rescued till now?
Many villages were evacuated and people are taken to safer places. So far, a total of 16 persons are rescued from tunnel.
What measures have been taken to save people?
The army has deployed 400 soldiers in rescue operation besides 2 medical teams and 1 engineering task force in Ringi village in Joshimath. And a control room is also set up. National Disaster Relief Fund NDRF is using JCB, heavy earth moving material and excavators to rescue people from Tapovan's tunnel. A new machinery is also introduced there. With the new machine, the soldiers are widening the Holland tunnel to rescue people.
What are the medical aids that have been taken for the rescued persons?
Those who were rescued by ITBP were given first aid, then shifted to ITBP hospital in Joshimath. Their condition is stable. The ITBP also continued to distribute ration and necessary items in Sukhi, Lata and Bhalagaon villages which were cut off by flash flood in Doligang.
How is the connection set to the affected area?
We have sent different communication teams with rescue teams to establish connection with headquarters. These teams are also trying to find people in affected areas, villages which were affected and keeping an eye on weather reports.
What is the current condition of affected area?
The rescue and search operation for missing people is underway. Out of 204 missing persons, 38 bodies were recovered and 2 persons were found to be alive. 72 dead bodies are found and 38 human body parts were identified in the glacier affected areas. DNA samples of 110 missing persons are sent to forensic laboratory and Dehradun for DNA matching. This is the ASL activity presented by our group. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.